There. Fun. Good boy. Look at you go. What you doing?
Where's your jumps? Where's your jumps? There we go.
There you go. Oh.
Don't stop now.
Pause. Oh, oh. Oh, there you go. Whee! Whee! Oh, Marcus, what's the matter? Do you need it lowered? Are you okay? There you go. Oh, oh, oh. Whee! Marcus. Oh, he's tired. He's getting tired, Marcus. Whoa! Yay, Marcus!
Yeah!
Oh, yeah, look at those arms going. Whoa! Hurrah!
He's got such a serious look on his face.
Is that pretty serious business? Yeah. This is serious business. Oh! Wow! Look at you go.
Yay, Marcus. You're doing it. Attaboy.
Marcus. Whoa! And some powerful jumps there. Yes, they are.
It's so funny in the video.
Yeah. Oh, oh, oh!
Oh no.
Turning their back to us, see?
Giggity get.
He just has spastic little leg movement.
He does. That's how he gets going. He finds his rhythm and just goes with it.
Yeah. You got a good rhythm. Yes, you do.
Come on and get a rhythm. Whoa!
Oh my goodness. You're crazy. You're a wild man.